Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet and want to transfer it to your Revolut account, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to do this in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any fees or delays. Let's get started. First, make sure you have both a Coinbase Wallet and a Revolut account set up. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms for security reasons. Once that's done, open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in. Navigate to your Bitcoin holdings, that's where we'll begin the withdrawal. Next, since Revolut doesn't directly support Bitcoin deposits, you'll need to convert your Bitcoin to a fiat currency like USD or EUR. In Coinbase, go to the Trade section, select Sell, and choose to sell your Bitcoin for your preferred currency. This step is crucial because it turns your crypto into cash you can move around. Now, with your funds in fiat, head over to the Accounts or Portfolio section in Coinbase. Look for the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Select your bank account or payment method linked to Revolut, but wait, actually, you'll typically withdraw to your linked bank first. Once the funds are in your bank, log into your Revolut app and initiate a transfer from your bank to Revolut. This might take a few business days, so be patient. Throughout this process, keep an eye on any transaction fees. Coinbase and banks often charge for withdrawals, and Revolut might have its own limits. Always use two-factor authentication to keep your accounts secure. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it, your Bitcoin is now in Revolut. This method keeps things simple and secure in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. If you run into any issues, check the help sections on both apps or reach out to their support. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.